So this pool is not a lake. This is just an enormous pool. What we're trying to show you in this video is no matter how big it is, if it's concrete, vinyl liner, fiberglass, whatever it is, no matter how many features, stick to your basics. Listen to the pool with pool scopes. Check out everything with your mirrors. Check out the systems, the way they run. Check it out as a whole. Just treat it like a regular pool and look, just keep your eyes open. Again, we thought you'd show you this big pool because it's a really good pool to watch and take a look at. Using our tools and treating it like an ordinary pool, we got the job done. Check it out. So first thing we always do is we listen to the pool, but what we were hearing are leaks around these pipe penetrations. We also heard this leak at the bond beam break, which we later dove, and then we backed ourselves up with dye. Again, you could find this on any pool. There's just a lot more pool here. Here we had an elaborate water feature system that we were able to static test. Here's our surge tank. We were able to get in there and dive. But just take a look at the enormity and take a look at what's splashing out. Take a look at missing tile is going to pop water over the side. These are common issues that could be on any pool regardless of the size. So the objective of this video is to show you that no matter how big the pool, no matter what kind of systems, come back to basics with your leak detection. Come back to your existing tools. You're going to find those leaks all the time. Here we found bond beam breaks. We found leaks at cold joints where pipes met cement. And we found typical leaks that we find on any kind of pool, whether it's a little residential or it's this monster pool. For more information, check out all our videos at LeakTronics.com and check out our YouTube channel.